better than last time. Yeah. There's improvement happening.
You said what?
That's the most important part.
Slow improvement.
I take it slow, baby.
Roll with your ball now. Trying to be in the camera.
Alright, now watch this.
Come on, Ty.
Watch this. Now this is where I turn it up. You have to know about it.
Turn it up, alright?
Oh, you about to turn it up.
About to get 3.
I
Let's
see you. I see you. Bam.
That's what
Oh.
When I come back, I put the spin on it.
I got you. Next time.
Spin carries through.
Alright. It's Nicole goal.
No, there's a science to this.
Uh-oh, Nicole. Are you ready, Nicole? You ready? You ready?
Ready, I was ready.
Alright. Down.
Apparently not that. I'm gonna get it.
You gonna get it?
At least we all suck. At least I don't suck by myself.
Hey, I hit a strike, baby. I hit a strike. I'm sorry. I hit a strike.
I got it in brain. I gotta get the perfect ball. That's what it is.
I mean, you know what I'm saying? 14 a little bit too heavy, you know what I'm saying? Dropped it down 2 pounds. I was straight. Damn. Gutter ball. Try to have me on camera.
Let's see your form. I need a better ball. Oh, it is? Why you didn't tell me? He was looking at the ground the whole time.
That's what I tell you, hold on.
Come on, Trevon. He thinks he nasty.
Take a little bit off. You know what I'm saying? You have to like you doing a handshake, you know what I'm saying? We get ready to roll. You know what I'm saying?
Hockey.
I learned that from this girl that go to college for bowling.
Somebody goes to college for bowling?
She got
Wow.
4 years for bowling.
Wow, that's crazy. He thinks he nice. Yo, show him what you working with.
Remember you get your handshake.
I got you. I got it.
I get the curve on it.
All right. Woo!
Bam.
He was just playing with us before.
I know. I'm just so I gotta get my wrist loose up.
I got you.
My wrist is breaking. It's hard out there.
It's all good.
I broke my wrist like 8 times.
That's a lie.
Skateboard P right there.
That's not the truth.
He said that is a lie. That is not the truth.
Skateboard P right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
And he walks away with his head down.
Oh, Nicole turn again. Let's see you. Let's see you. Come on.
You gotta do better than last time, because that was last.
At least you know.
So you got 37, I got 8. That's just ridiculous. I'm about to slap him.
Dang, Nicole.
I'm trying to break this round.
I know.
Trying to bounce it back.
Trying to bounce it up and down. Like, this thing.
Like, I need a lighter ball.
It's this is the 8. The 8's over there.
I know, but it's not tiny.
You already got 8.
I know that.
So, do we have like...
They got a
Dang.
You tried. I'm only up on you about 1 point, so that's encouragement. So encourage you while you do it. Let's see this guy, Cocky McFeister. Cockiest dude I know.
Cocky.
And I happen to be related to him. So happen to be. Let's see. Let's see if this works out. This guy here.
nigga think he hot.
A little bit off. A little bit off. A little bit more curve on it than I.
Face off. Finish it off, finish it off. You gave me an opportunity there. Now I just gotta hit strikes.
You better take it up.
I just gotta hit strikes now.